On a quiet summer's morning, a young, innocent boy awakes to find the lawnmowers. Not knowing what to do, these are his findings. Lawnmowers just showed up in my house. Freaking out. This is not good. This is not good. Crap, did you see him? The window's too wide, but they're there. They're at the front of that. I can't turn around. Just be quiet, just be quiet. What? They'll pass up. Oh god. I don't know if I'm supposed to pay them or not. Hopefully they know I'm here. Oh crap, there's one, there's another one. I can see him in the reflection. Still. They're getting closer than two Siamese twins. Oh my god. Hurry up and go, hurry up. Oh god. Watch out. Oh crap, what's going on? Oh god, there's one at the window. There's one at the window again. Look at him. Oh god, they've stopped. Oh look, they're having a meeting. Oh, what are they doing? Starting again. No, back down we go. Just type in SOS to everyone. It's now 12:43 and they've left. My last video cut out. I think that they tapped into the security devices. Don't worry, they've gone now. I didn't pay them. They've left. Hopefully next time they come, I'm here with a person that knows the secrets of the lawn mowing society. Alright, bye, thanks.